Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 4 stars. Yes, a 4-star Sudoku. And this will be number 1942 in this additional, yes, of today's newspaper of Friday, November the 27th, 2020. Yes. And you already see here I've used a red pencil a lot, so I've made a mistake in the last Sudoku. Could be happen, could be happen. Well, we will continue with the 4-star Sudoku, and I will be careful now not to write the number quick on the paper. I need a double check, so this will be 1942, and I've already counted the printed numbers. Again, 25, yes. So is it really a 4 stars? I do not know, so let's get started. The second column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2 in this big square. No 2 in those 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in those 2 boxes there. 707 in this box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And then 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this second column for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. Nope. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5. No, I cannot fill the 5 here. Need to wait. 3 missing. No, 3 missing numbers. Yeah, the 4 is missing here. 8 is also missing. Yeah. In this big square, the 4, the 8, and the 3. We see here the 4 and the 8, so no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those boxes. One box left should be the 3. 2 boxes left in the first column. The 1 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. How about need a 4. 3. Yes, in this middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3 in this big square, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. There 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in that column. So in the middle column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. So now we have a pair. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle rows on the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. Same story with the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle rows on the row above. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. So together with the 5, it's a pair 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, that means the other 2 numbers in this row should be the 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. Let me mark those for you. 2 and 8. So now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those, no, 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark those for you. I cannot fill this yet. 4, 7 and 2. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this middle column. The 2 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 4. 2, 2, 4, 9 are missing. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4 and 5. 5, 5. We have a 5, 5 here. Alright. 5, 5. These 2 should be a 5. These 2 also. Alright. The 9. 2, 4, 8. Yeah, 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 and a 5. Yes. 8 and a 5 are there. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in and that column, so the column between, only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 5. We need a 5 in this column. 5 missing numbers, yes. Well, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be in one of these 3 boxes. We see there 5, so no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. How about the 7? Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Same with the 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, Only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there, and I've eliminated the 1 because the 1 cannot be there anymore. 2 and a 3 as a pair. So 1 box left for the 1, should be there. The other pair, 7 and the 6 are missing. 7 and a 6. That means the other pair in the second row. No, not the other, because we have an 8 and a 5 here. 1 box left in the first row should be the number 6 is missing, right? Alright. 8 and a 5, so 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes, and there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, only place for a 4 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this is going to be 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this is going to be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this is going to be 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there, and a 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this is going to be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left, 2 and an 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. No, 1 and 8. 1 and 8 are missing in this column. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and an 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this is going to be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. Faster than, of course, with the first Sudoku. I've made a mistake here, so need to do it again. But I'm very pleased with the time for this Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon. Bye bye for now.